Are you one of those people who are facing challenges with this question right here? Don't worry, okay? Don't worry. I'm here now to help you be able to understand on how to answer a question like this in mathematics. Let's say you've been given an arithmetic progression like this one, and they've given you the fourth term and the 10th term. They want you to find the first term as well as the common difference. So what do you do on a question like this one? What you normally do here is to just use the nth term formula. So this is the formula we normally use, okay? And this formula, we call it nth term formula. They've given you the fourth term and the 10th term. And what you must be putting in your mind is that we're dealing with the arithmetic progression. And in arithmetic progression, whenever you want to find the term, this is the formula we use. Okay, so where there is nth here, we'll be putting the term. For example, I want to deal with the fourth term. So I'll put 5 here is equal to, the first term is what we're looking for, we don't know. N, I'll be putting the 4, it's the fourth term. I know 5 is the fourth term. And on D here, we don't know, we just put a D. This is the common difference, what we've been asked to find. So we can simplify here, and we will remain with a 3D right here. So we have 5 is equals to A plus 3D. So this is the equation number 1. We keep that equation. We go to the next one. So the same, we get our formula. This formula is working very much. So we have to keep this formula, the same formula. Now this time around we're dealing with 15. Put 15 here. A is what we're looking for. On N, put a 10 minus a 1 and a D there. Okay? So you simplify, you remain with 15 is equals to A plus 9D. This is 9D. Okay? So we'll call this as the equation number 2. This is equation number 1, number 2. So once we reach this point, we can solve these two equations simultaneously, okay? So if you don't know how to solve the simultaneous equation, you just have to know how to solve the simultaneous equation. So check on my videos. I think I did a video on simultaneous equation, on how to solve simultaneous equations. So we've got these two equations that we are solving simultaneously. So we have 15 is equals to A plus 3D, and sorry, this is 5, not 15, 5. Here it's 15 is equals to A plus 9D, and we need to solve these two equations simultaneously. So what we can do here, we can just put a negative here, and also change this to a negative. So here we have a 10 is equal to, here we have a 0 because 1, we're adding them actually. A, negative A plus A, it's just a 0. Here we have a 6D. And when we solve, we work out, solving for D, our D will be equal to 5 over 3. This is our D, 5 over 3. So we have found the common difference. Now to find the A, we can get any of the equations, either this one or this one. So I'll go with this one. I would say 5 is equals to A plus 3D. 5 is equal to A plus 3. On D, I'm putting a 5 over 3 here. So this and this will cancel. We'll remain with 5A plus 5, because this 3 and 3 have cancelled. And when you group the like terms, it will be like this. So our first term here is a 0. A is a 0. This is the solution, and this one. These are the two solutions we are looking for. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like my videos, and share. You can also follow me on my Facebook page, which is Jacob Chamba Online Mathematics. Bye-bye.